So if I type in Hersova, for example, it tells me the BFS traversal of the graph is Hersova, Erzseni, and Bucharest. If I go in here, we have Hersova, Erzseni, and Bucharest. If I go to the next city, the Fourier, and I run that again, Fourier. It says the BFS traversal is the Fourier, Hersova, Erzseni, and Bucharest. We have a Fourier, Hersova, Erzseni, and Bucharest. So it kind of works for the edge cities, but if I go into a city that has nodes that are kind of widespread, it goes into it doesn't function correctly. So one, for example, let's try Fagaras or Sibiu, which are like cities kind of like in the center. If I run Fagaras, for example, yeah, so it goes here and tells me Fagaras, Sibiu, Rimnu, Pitesi, Craiova, which are like uh Sibiu. Yeah, so it kind of spreads like Sibiu, Rimnu, Vilsier, Pitesi, but the next one should be Bucharest and it should stop, but it doesn't. And it goes and picks the next city, Craiova and Drobeta, which is the neighbor of Pitesi, Craiova, Drobeta. So it kind of spreads all around before it comes back to Bucharest, which is not correct. It should stop once it sees Bucharest. So it goes in here and it stops at the end when it sees Bucharest, but it goes through all the other neighbors. So that's definitely a bug that needs to be addressed. Uh, I'll start the DFS now, and it will probably run into the next video because I'm using the trial version of this software. Stop this one. This is the BFS. I'll go into the DFS now. For the DFS, I used the stack to do the implementation in here. For the DFS method itself, it calls a stack and implements